Jules C. Spach was a dedicated mission worker who, along with his wife Nancy, served in Brazil for 25 years. A native of Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Spach joined the U.S. Army Air Forces after high school and flew a bomber plane during World War II. While on mission off the coast of Italy, Spach's plane was shot down and he was taken as a prisoner of war. After his liberation and return home to the United States, Spach attended Georgia Tech, where he received his degree in chemical engineering. Following his time at Georgia Tech, Spach continued his studies at Duke University, the University of North Carolina at Greensboro, and Union Presbyterian Seminary in Richmond, Virginia. In 1951, he and Nancy moved to Brazil, where he taught chemistry and mathematics. Jules became a coach, director of the athletic program, and eventual president of the Colégio 15 de Novembro. He helped administer an adult literacy campaign with U.S. Aid, and in 1971 became the field secretary for the PCUS mission in Brazil. His impact was so great that when he retired from mission service in 1973, he was made an honorary citizen of the city of Guaranhins in Pernambuco, Brazil. When Jules and Nancy returned to the United States in 1976, Jules was elected the 116th moderator of the General Assembly of the PCUS. After his time as moderator, Jules became the founding director of the Triad United Methodist Home in Winston-Salem. He led the Winston-Salem Council for the Homeless and was president of the Senior Services Board. He and Nancy delivered Meals on Wheels for more than 20 years. Those who knew Jules admired his enthusiasm and leadership at a time the denomination faced great challenges. He encouraged others around him and inspired confidence. Jules was committed to his role as moderator and, as he put it himself, wanted to bring joy and hope to the church.